Hello everyone, welcome to Kanama Cooks. Today we are making a very delicious Paalkatti Mundhiri Masala. This is a very rich side dish that can be made for parties or special occasions. Paalkatti or paneer is mixed with potatoes and spices and deep fried into golden balls. These balls are then served along in a spicy cashew gravy. This Paalkatti Mundhiri Masala goes well as a side dish with chapati or roti. First, let's make the Paalkatti balls. For that, we will need to grate the boiled potatoes. About 2 to 3 medium-sized potatoes, about 250 grams is required for this recipe. I have already boiled and peeled the potatoes here. Grate these boiled and peeled potatoes in a vegetable grater and set aside. I have a pack of paneer, about 200 grams here. I'm going to grate this also in a vegetable grater. The paneer is now grated and ready, set aside. Take a bowl and add the grated potatoes and the grated paneer. Add some finely chopped curry leaves, some finely chopped green chilies, coriander leaves, mint leaves, salt, a couple of tablespoons of maida, little black pepper powder, and half a teaspoon of unsalted butter. Mix everything well to combine. Make sure to mix in such a way that all the ingredients are distributed evenly. Once the mixture forms a dough, make small bite-sized balls and set them on a plate. It is important that the balls are made small, as otherwise they will not cook properly. Also make sure that the balls are tight. Heat oil to deep fry in a kadai. Vegetable oil or refined peanut oil works well for deep frying. Drop these balls in really hot oil. The oil should be really hot for frying these balls, otherwise they will break. These are very fragile, so do not touch the balls with a spatula after adding them to the oil. Do not disturb them for the first couple of minutes. After a couple of minutes, try to separate the balls with a spatula or a fork if they are sticking to each other. Also, do not overcrowd the kadai. Fry these balls in batches. Let the balls fry till they are very golden. Drain the balls on paper towels and set them aside once they are ready. Now let's prepare the gravy. Heat oil in a pan and add in the whole spices, a small piece of cinnamon, cloves and cardamom. Add a sprig of curry leaves. Add a small piece of ginger and few cloves of chopped garlic. Add the sliced onions to the pan. Saute the onions till they are soft. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. Once the onions are soft, add the turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, black pepper powder and some salt. Saute everything for a minute. Adjust the red chili powder in the recipe according to your taste. At this stage, add in the green chilies and the de-seeded tomatoes. I have completely removed the seeds from the tomatoes and make sure to use ripe tomatoes. Add the soaked cashews along. I soaked the cashews in hot water before starting to cook. The cashews should be soft after soaking. Mix all these well to combine. Reduce the flame of the stove to low and cover the pan with the lid and cook on a low flame for about 10 minutes. Keep sauteing once in a while to avoid scorching at the bottom. Add little water while cooking if necessary. The tomatoes should be cooked to a mushy texture after about 7 to 8 minutes. Once the tomatoes are cooked and ready, switch off the flame. Remove the whole spices from the pan, the cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. Remove them and discard them. Now let this mixture slightly cool a bit. Add everything to a heavy-duty mixie. Grind everything to a smooth paste. Add water only if it's really necessary. We need a thick gravy, so use caution while adding water while grinding. Once the masala is ground and ready, set aside. Now let's temper the masala. Heat little oil in a pan and add in some cumin seeds. Let the cumin seeds crackle. Reduce the flame of the stove to low to avoid spluttering when we add the gravy. Now add the gravy to the pan. To avoid spluttering, you can also briefly switch off the flame. Wash the mixie with half a cup of water and add back to the pan. Simmer on a low flame for a couple of minutes. At this stage, add a little sugar to balance the taste of the gravy. Finally, add a little butter and mix well to combine. Finish off with a generous sprinkling of coriander leaves. Just before serving, place the prepared balls. Do not place the balls in advance as they will become soggy. Place the balls only when you are ready to serve. Serve with hot chapati or roti. Enjoy. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Until next time, it's me Suguna signing off and take care. Bye bye.